So now this is the part 2 of the response to this comment from a new viewer. Right, this video is to raise the level of awareness, exposing the fake AliExpress. In the part 1, if you have missed it, I'm going to leave the video link below this video so you can go and check it out. And the short answer for the part 1, I actually show you the 3 key points about what is an official AliExpress affiliate program. And the main thing I single out about the official communication channel with affiliate marketer that choose to partner them, right? What is the official communication channel? Well, the short answer is actually the email, right? The email address that you have registered with the platform, they will send it through there to communicate with you. That's the short. Now, in continuation or from part 1, right? Part 2 would be, part 2 is to empower you, right? The part 2 content is to empower you. That you have alternatives. I'm going to raise your level of awareness, right? In regards to if you are the victim of online scams when it comes to trying to use the internet to create income and you became the victim, right? So don't get stuck there. So in part 2 is I'm showing you, I'm going to empower you that you have alternatives. And this is also one of the reasons why I want to teach, why I want to educate, is to empower you. Of course, the immediate common sense thing that you might notice would be I am an affiliate marketer with the official AliExpress. And I'm super pissed off when scammers use a good name of the official AliExpress to scam the regular people that lack of awareness like you, right? I don't like it. The common sense is it's bad for business. It's bad for my business. When I go around promoting about the AliExpress, and the products they are bringing. So if I allow this to, go on by the scammers, and I don't voice out, right? As a, when I partner with the official AliExpress as an affiliate marketer, right? So I'm just doing my part to voice out. It's up to you whether you want to listen or you want to scroll past. But I just want to do my part. I feel good doing my part to voice out because I am capable of doing that after producing thousands of videos since the last 10 years, right? In doing businesses. I cannot allow this, see this, and ignore this is, having the attitude of, oh, this is not my problem. No, I don't like it. It's not me, right? Okay, so let me be real with you here in the part 2 would be, I'm very pissed off, right? Because it happened not just with official AliExpress. There are many industry, right, that I am familiar with, and one of it would also be the network marketing business. It's very similar to affiliate marketing business as well, because both these industry are selling other people's products, right? And in the network marketing business, it's the same, right? There are many people with bad intentions using the good name of the brands in the network marketing industry, right, to mislead and misrepresent. So again, as a network marketer myself, it's bad for my business. I don't like it too, because when I'm going to go around communicating, right, the wonderful things that when you build such a business, right, I don't have that kind of believability, right? This is what I observe. So one way to overcome this is to provide education, give people the proper, credible information so that they can determine for themselves. This is why I saw the positive impact of doing this. This is why I continue to put out my message, my influence, my impact, right? To empower more people. You don't have to buy anything from me or to collaborate with me, right? Okay, but I will still continue. This is like a mission to me, right? So the more and more people are educated about this, it's good for business. It's good for business. It's good for me doing the business. This is what I saw and what I recognized through this learning journey. And at a deeper level and more long term, right? I'm giving the positive influence here. So what am I doing for marketing results would be, I'm actually through my content, right? I help you to understand that I'm actually also building my personal brand to let you see the side of me, which is the real side, right? The real side of me and the authentic side of me as an educator, as a global educator. Through that, the topic about online scams, fake AliExpress, to show you the alternative, that you are not stuck, you have options, you can move on, right? To empower you that you have alternatives. And the alternatives is not just about the selection of how you're going to create income in the internet. It's about what are the channels that you can learn a lot of things, not necessarily going to the school or having a university degree. No need. You have alternatives right there using your smartphone right now. That is the awareness I want to bring it to you, because I have benefited from it, right? Since pivoting from offline way of doing business, right, and moving on to the online way, it has served me so well, right? So I don't see why I should not voice out, share it with more people, so that you don't need to fall into the hole that I've fallen over the years, right? You don't have to. You can save a lot of time, a lot of money, right? I feel good if I know that you watch my content and you learn something and you make good about it. I feel good when I hear that. I like it, right? You understand that. So that's the reason this motivated me to continue as like a mission for me, right? To be an educator, all right? And the side benefit of that is I'm building personal brand. So it is actually an influence, the long term. That's what I'm doing. I'm just doing what I am good at. Not difficult to understand, isn't it? So this is in response to questions like this, right, from strangers on the internet asking me, why am I doing this? Spending my time, spending my money to show other people that I don't know, right, how to do certain things so that they can overcome the challenges they face using the internet. That is the reason. I hope it is clear by now, right? And it helped to bring a little bit more trust in watching my content. And I look forward to seeing you in my future video updates or even the live stream which are conducted weekly, right? And God bless you.